In this video, I'll show you how to delete or void bills in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is Purchases. Now, under Purchases, head over to the second option and click on Bills. And once you are on the Bills section, what you need to do is simply head over to the fourth tab, which is Awaiting Payment. Now, once you were on the awaiting payment tab, what you need to do is simply head over to the bill in which you want to delete. Let's say we want to delete the second bill, which is Capital Cabin Co. Simply click on that bill. And once you do that, you want to head over to the top and right corner of the bill, click on Bill Options, and at the bottom, click on Void. Now, once you click on Void, it will ask you if you are sure that you want to void this bill. Head over to the bottom and click on OK. And once you do that, as you can see, it will show you a banner that the bill was voided. What you can also do is simply head over to the bills section and hover your mouse on a bill. We will do this for Bayside Club. On the left-hand side, make sure to check the bill. It will automatically select the bill, and at the top, you will have a fourth option to void the bill. Once you do that, it will automatically show a pop-up. At the bottom, simply click on Continue to void one item. And once you do that, it will automatically void the item. You can also do the same thing by selecting multiple bills. And at the top, you will have an option to void, and it will automatically show you the bills in which you are ready to void. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.